I have 6 credit cards and I have never paid any annual fee for those 6 ever since. Meron akong credit card ever since around 2021, 2022 and I have never paid their annual fees. And this is how you can also not pay the annual fees ng mga credit cards nyo. Ang dami ko nakakausap before na kaya ayaw daw nila mag-credit card kasi sobrang mahal ng annual fee and all that. But then again, you can get a credit card without paying the annual fee. And here's how. So, among those 6 credit cards, meron akong isang credit card na waive talaga yung annual fee niya for life, and that's the Union Bank Rewards credit card, yung color blue. So I'm not sure if that's a marketing strategy para mapasubo ka mag-credit card, pero yon, out of the 6, meron akong isang wala talagang annual fee at all. But for the other 5 credit cards that I have, this is what I do in order for me not to pay the annual fee. So every time nakikita ko na yung annual fee charge sa statement of account ko or sa SOA ko, what I do is I call the bank and I request for them to waive the annual fee. So they always give me around 2 to 3 options, I think, pero nakalimutan ko yung third option, so I'm just gonna say the 2. So yung unang option is that to enroll a billing sa credit card ko, so it would automatically be paid by the credit card. And then second one is I have to spend a minimum amount in 1 to 2 months in order for them to waive the annual fee. So for example, yung naaalala kong last charge sa akin was around 1.8 yung annual fee. So I called the bank, requested to waive it, and then they just told me that I have to spend around 20 to 30k ata in 2 months para ma-waive yun. So, para di ko na mabayaran. 20 to 30k, hindi siya limited sa mga pilling shops. Basta, as long as you can spend 20 to 30k, you're good to go. Some of you might be wondering, bakit sa spend ka pa ng 20 to 30k, pwede mo naman bayaran na lang yung 1.8, mas makakatipid ka. It's still the same basically kasi umaabot talaga yung credit card bills ko ng 20 to 30k a month. So, basically, kailangan mo lang silang i-inform na gusto mo yung i-waive. Tapos, i-achieve mo lang yung bills na yon. Tapos, ma-waive na yung annual fee mo. I hope this helps.